Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Rental Karma Honest Review. So, Rental Karma is a service built around one simple idea. Rent is usually the biggest bill paid every month, but most of the time it doesn't show up in credit reports. So, Rental Karma steps in to fix that by reporting rent payments to credit bureaus, mainly TransUnion and Equifax. So, those on time payments can count towards building a credit history. Now, it doesn't replace a credit card or loan, it just adds rent as another positive line on the credit report. Now, what a lot of people like about it is based on reviews that we could see right now, is that it can include past rent history, not just future payments. That's a big deal here for renters who've been paying on time for years and want that history recognized. Now, there's usually a one-time setup fee for to add previous rent, then a small monthly fee to keep rewarding future payments. Now, according to Trustpilot reviews here, well, based on what we're seeing right now, Rental Karma has a strong overall rating. So, and many reviews say they noticed their credit score increase after signing up. A common theme is those reviews is praise for customer support, with people saying the process was clearly explained and help was easy to get when questions came up. Now, at the same time, not everyone sees dramatic results, and that shows up in both Trustpilot and even Reddit discussions. Now, some people say their score only moved a little, didn't change at all. That usually comes down to how credit scoring models work. Not all lenders or scoring versions weigh rent payments the same way, and some still focus more heavily on traditional credit cards and loans. So, for someone who already has strong credit lines, adding rent may not move the needle much. Now, in Reddit and credit forums here, tone is realistic rather than hype driven. People often say Rental Karma works exactly as advertised, but then again, it shouldn't be seen as a magic fix. It's more of a boost or support tool, especially helpful for renters with thin or limited credit files. So, some also mention that since it doesn't report to every bureau, results can vary depending on which score a lender checks. So, the honest takeaway here is based on what we're seeing right now and what it claims by getting rent payments onto credit report. Well, and plenty of people have seen positive changes here, backed up by strong Trustpilot reviews. The impact just isn't guaranteed for the same for everyone. It works best as part of a bigger credit building plan rather than a standalone solution. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.